Welcome to the Custodial Division of Facilities Services here at Salt Lake Community College. This video will train you how to use the NSS Rally 500H and is divided into 3 sections. First, we'll cover machine parts and safety. Then, we'll cover how to safely and efficiently operate the machine. Finally, we'll cover maintenance and troubleshooting. Let's get started. Understanding the machine's parts helps ensure safe operation by allowing you to use it correctly and identify potential hazards. The vacuum hose connection attaches the vacuum hose to the machine for proper suction. The solution hose connection connects the machine to the solution hose and sprayer. The control panel houses the machine's controls for operation and adjustments. The dump valve and extender are used to drain and direct wastewater safely from the machine. Now that we've covered the machine parts, it's important to focus on safety during operation. Follow these general guidelines to ensure safe and effective use. Do not unplug the unit by pulling on the cord. Do not run over the power cord. Do not pull or carry the machine by the cord. Do not use the machine if the cord is damaged. Do not use near flammable materials. Following these safety guidelines will help prevent damage to the machine and ensure a safe working environment. Now that we've covered safety, let's go over how to operate the machine effectively. Ensure that all switches on the control panel are in the off position before proceeding. Attach the vacuum and solution hoses using the Velcro strap. Thread the solution hose through the loop and securely fasten it to the vacuum hose by wrapping the Velcro around it. Connect the solution and vacuum hoses to both the machine and the wand. Pour the cleaning liquid into the solution tank located at the front of the machine. Pour water into the solution tank located at the front of the machine. Do not use any chemicals in this machine. Instead, chemicals should be used in a pump sprayer. Apply pre-spray to the carpet before using the Rally 500H on the carpet. Make sure the dump valve is closed and store the dump extender below the valve. Our machines have 2 power cords. Ensure each cord is plugged into separate outlets to avoid tripping the breaker. Both cords and outlets must be grounded. If done correctly, a light and sound pulse will activate on the machine. Finally, before turning on the machine, ensure you are wearing the appropriate protective equipment, such as eye protection, gloves, and long sleeves and pants. To begin operating the machine, turn the pump on. To prime the machine, pull the trigger until liquid sprays from the spray jets on the wand. To prime a 300 or 500 psi model, turn on the prime valve, spray for 30 seconds, then return the valve to the run position. Turn on the heater and allow it to run for 5 minutes. Do not run the heater dry, always prime the machine before starting the heater. Once heating is complete, turn on both vacuum motors. Begin cleaning by depressing the handle to spray solution and use the wand to vacuum. After using the machine, empty the solution tank by using the vacuum hose to transfer the cleaning solution from the recovery tank. To empty the recovery tank, back the machine up to a floor sink and insert the dump valve extender. Pull up on the valve to open it, then rinse the recovery tank with water. Remember to close the dump valve when finished. Before removing the wand from the water hose, ensure all pressure has been removed from the system. Do this by pulling the wand trigger until any leftover pressure has sprayed out of the nozzles. Once this is done, the hose will be easier to remove from the wand and the machine. Wipe down the machine exterior to remove any grime. Proper operation is essential for maintaining the machine's performance and extending its lifespan. Regular maintenance is another key way to improve the machine's health and longevity. Remove float and shut-off screen from tank and clean. Inspect vacuum hoses for holes and loose cuffs. Inspect spray pattern for clogging. If clogged, remove spray tips and soak them in a recommended liquid neutralizer for up to 6 hours. Lubricate wheels with water-resistant oil. Inspect machine for water leaks and loose hardware. Each week 3 filters must be cleaned. Remove the recovery tank lid. Reach in and pull out the 2 black filters located in the top of the vacuum stacks. Shake out any debris or replace if damaged. In the base of the recovery tank is a small dome-shaped filter. Remove by twisting counterclockwise and rinse to clean. Regular maintenance, especially by cleaning your filters, is the best way to lengthen the life of your machine. Even if you take perfect care of your machine, things can still go wrong. Here are some helpful hints when it comes to troubleshooting. If there is no power to the machine, double-check that cords are not damaged and plugged into separate circuits. If the pump does not work properly, check for fluid in the solution tank, clogged sprayer jets, and dirty filters. If the heater does not work, check the circuit breakers in your building. If the vacuum motor does not provide proper suction, check hose connections and secure the vacuum tank tightly. Regular troubleshooting helps identify and resolve issues quickly, ensuring the machine operates efficiently and reliably. Mastering the NSS Rally 500H through proper operation, maintenance, and troubleshooting will ensure its longevity and optimal performance. By following the guidelines outlined in this video, you can operate the machine safely, keep it in peak condition, and address potential issues before they become major problems. A well-maintained machine not only improves efficiency but also creates a safer and more effective cleaning process. Thank you for watching, and happy cleaning!